হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে আমি আলোচনা করব বিডিপি ফার্স্ট ইয়ার নেতাজি সুভাষ ওপেন ইউনিভার্সিটির অন্তর্গত এফইজি পেপারের কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এমসিকিউ। এই কোশ্চেনগুলো তোমরা একটু খাতায় তুলে প্র্যাকটিস করো। আশা করি যে অনলাইন এক্সাম চলছে এখান থেকেই কোশ্চেন পেয়ে যাবে তোমরা। তো শুরু করা যাক। কোশ্চেন নম্বর 1, হোয়াট অ্যাকর্ডিং টু এম্পায়ার অশোক was one of the king's duty? Answer is to protect animals and forest. Question number 2, why did Subhash Chandra Bose go to England? Answer is to study for the Indian Civil Service. Question number 3, fill in the blank with suitable option. It dash since 8 in the morning. Answer is has been raining. It has been raining since 8 in the morning. Question number 4, what according to Nehru was the main objective of independent India's foreign policy? Answer is to pursuit of peace and elimination of want. Question number 3. Question number 5, fill in the blank with suitable option. Children in the orphanage are happy because they are well looked after. Question number 6, fill in the blank with suitable option. With a little effort, we dash keep our surrounding clean. We can keep our surrounding clean. Answer is can. Question number 7, I need to investigate the case more thoroughly. Replace investigate with a suitable option. Answer is look into. I need to look into the case more thoroughly. Next question, why did the banker keep the lawyer in confinement? Answer is they had made a bet. Question number 10, fill in the blank with suitable option. I does not think I can come with you. Answer is do. Next question, Ved Mehta's father was a doctor. Answer is doctor. Next question, the horse jumped dash the low wall. Jumped over the low wall. Answer is over. Next question, I asked him dash he had seen anything if he told. I asked him if he had seen. Answer is if. Question number 14, why did the dinosaurs become extinct? Answer is they could not adapt to a world without swamps. Last question, he made the long journey by train. Answer is by train. আশা করি এই কোশ্চেনগুলো তোমরা একটু প্র্যাকটিস করো। এই কোশ্চেনগুলো থেকেই তোমরা পেয়ে যাবে। থ্যাংক ইউ।